Hi, I'm Layla from Geistlich myGuide. In this video, I will explain to you what a Geistlich vLab module is. The Geistlich vLab is an online hands-on workshop where you can apply your acquired knowledge and improve your surgical skills on a typodont. All the necessary biomaterials you need for the practical exercise will be provided in a workshop set. All you need to prepare are the required surgical instruments, which are described in the user guide of your Geistlich vLab workshop set. The instructional video will guide you through the entire procedure, from the explanation of the clinical situation, such as the defect description, to the first incision, the application of biomaterials for augmentation and restoration of the defect, and finally, to the suturing. Throughout the video, you can listen and watch the instructor, a well-known regeneration expert in the field, and get insights and surgical hints and tips which you can apply in your practice the next day. And what are your benefits from a Geistlich vLab hands-on workshop? You can deepen the knowledge you have already acquired through practical exercises. You can do it whenever and wherever you want. You have all material at hand, including user guide and treatment guide. Thanks for watching and see you soon.